This leaf has reached the end of its journey. Believe it or not, our journey together is also coming to an end. It's been over 4 weeks that you've been listening to these lectures online and finding out more about design thinking. First of all, I'd like to thank you for spending your time on listening to these lectures. I had a lot of fun putting these videos together for you. I hope you had the same kind of fun also listening to this, watching our workshops, watching the lectures, listening to the stories as well. I hope you've been applying them on real life as well, because these principles are best when put in action. Our journey doesn't have to come to an end. We can actually try to prolong it. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually come face to face. We can have a workshop together. All you need to do is send in an entry with your motivation on why you want to be part of this workshop and what is it that really you want to be solving it. Put it in about 300 to 350 words and maybe add a picture or two, and if we like it and if you're lucky, we'll invite you over and we can sit together and actually work on your project and make it better, help somebody in the process by applying design thinking. So I hope to see you through your entries and probably in person as well. Wish you very good luck. Okay, thank you then. Bye.